Watch out, Sony, Samsung, and Vizio. There's a new TV in school. His name is TCL, and he looks like a really popular kid. This is the TCL 6 series, and it's already one of my favorite TVs of 2018. It combines an excellent picture with a rock-bottom price. Just $1,000 for the 65-inch model seen here, while the 55-inch size starts at $650. That's insanely cheap for this level of picture quality. The most important feature on the 6 series is full-array local dimming, which the company calls contrast control zones. As the image moves across the screen, the zones light up and dim in response, an effect that really improves contrast. In my side-by-side tests against Samsung and Sony, the TCL more than held its own, with deeper black levels and better contrast than those more expensive brands. It couldn't get quite as bright, but still has plenty of light output for bright rooms and high dynamic range TV shows and movies. The 6 series supports the latest 4K and HDR formats, including HDR10 and Dolby Vision. Another great feature is Roku's Smart TV system, one of CNET's favorites for its excellent app selection and constant updates. There's a channel dedicated to 4K and a new Dolby channel that showcases a few demo videos in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos on compatible TVs like the 6 series. It also supports 4K and HDR video from YouTube, Netflix, Amazon, and Vudu. TCL's TV can't match the styling of Samsung or Sony, but it's no slouch, with a sleek metallic frame that's nice and thin around the picture, if a bit chunky in profile. Like many TVs, it uses little legs to either side for support. There's a signature power button on the bottom edge. I also dig the small, simple remote, which fit well in my hand and offers a few quick launch buttons for important apps. Overall, the TCL 6 series achieves that elusive balance between image quality, features, and style for a price that's tough to beat. It sets the standard for affordable, high-performance TVs in 2018.